Okay, so you want to know how to add an audio spectrum in Capcut on PC? Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is import a video. The video you want to have it's an audio spectrum, and then you have to drag it to the timeline. Well, the next step you have to do is go to here in those options. You have to go to stickers, and then here, as you can see, there are a lot of stickers. You have to write audio. So you press enter, and there you will find a lot of these, but I'm going to choose this one, and you can drag it to the timeline. And as you can see, it works as an audio spectrum. So can be very helpful and useful. You can select other ones, for example, I don't know, this one, or even you can choose, I don't know, let me see, this one. And if this video was useful for you, please remember to share, comment, subscribe, like, press the bell in the description, and see you in the next Easy Way video. Goodbye!